There are two types of logins in Phavio Hospital Management. One is admin login, and the other is employee login. Now we will log in from the admin. We will see a similar interface after logging in. Here we find 16 modules: Dashboard, Front Desk, Nursing, Accounts, Lab, Pharmacy, PROS, Manager, HR, Masters, Administration, Extras, Reporting, Reports, Requests, and Messaging. The top menu also contains modules. These modules can also be operated from the top menu. First you need to click on Organization in Masters and enter the organization details. Hospital name, branch code, phone number, mobile number, website, email, registration number should be entered and updated. Logo and favicon should also be selected and uploaded. Hospital facilities also need to be updated. Now you need to click on Departments from Masters and create any types of departments available. Then click on Doctors in Masters to create doctors. Create doctors by giving everyone the details of how many doctors they want. Now you can register patients from the front desk in the top menu. You can register an old patient or a new patient by clicking on the front desk. Now let's see how to register a new patient. Click on the new patient register and select the serial. The serial number of the patient will be generated automatically. Details like date of birth, age etc. should be entered. Patient photo and COVID-19 details can also be entered. Now click on Next and enter Patient Compliant. Now select Casualty or OP. The doctor list will appear when the department is selected from the drop-down. Now select the doctor from the list of doctors. The doctor fee registration fee comes automatically and can be unchecked if you want to deduct the fees. Click on Register. Now new patient registration was completed. Now you need to click on the front desk in the top menu and go to the doctor's panel. There we have registered the patient to the doctor, and the doctor panel will have that patient. Click on that doctor panel and go into the doctor panel. Those doctor patients will be there. Clicking on the patient name will bring up the patient details. From there, patient tests, procedures, prescriptions and visits can all be managed.